In this video, I will show you how you can fix unable to check for update on your iPad. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to head over to the settings here. Once we head over to settings, you want to make sure that you click on general and then click on the software update option right there. Now, once you do this, as you can see, it does now say unable to check for update. Please try again. So you can try again here. And there's a couple of things that we can do, right? So if we go to automatic updates, we can then go ahead and check off all of these boxes, go back. If again you're still getting the same problem, what we can do is go to our Wi-Fi, and then we simply want to go to the information tab here, and you want to select forget network. Now you will then want to then re-add and reconnect to the Wi-Fi that you are currently using, and you'll then be able to go back over to the general tab here and then go to the software updates. Again, if it is still saying unable to check for update, what you may need to do is you may need to connect your iPad to a PC or an Apple laptop, something around those lines, and then you will then be able to do this through a manual update through the PC. Now, sometimes if it is an older iPad, as you can see, you will then get this error even if you try sort of the Wi-Fi connection, and everything like that. So every setting that you can find, you may need to go ahead and connect this to a computer to be able to update this. So there is a couple of different options there that you can try, and the one that will work for me personally is if I connect this to my PC, I will be able to do this manually. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.